JB made it to Chicago, halfway to Canaries. What's your thoughts here? What's going on?
I'll take temperatures in the 30s.
Well, JB made it to Madrid. Well, we just arrived in the Canary Islands. JB, what's your thoughts here?
Surf!
Ricardo, what are these? What? These little birds.
The ham one is basically like pigs that only eat acorn, and so tasty. You can't believe it. It's one of the best things in Spain, actually. And JB is actually enjoying it. What do you think, JB?
Oh, bro, you seen that, JB?